All right. Our third song by ear, where we're working on the 2-5-1 in our ongoing class, is Getting to Know You. We're just doing the first 8 bars of it. And it's a chord substitution for a C to a G7. So let's just start with the basic, the bass line here, which would be the C to the G7. So 2, 3, getting to know you, getting to know all about you. Just a good old G7. Getting to like you is a lot of G7. Getting to hope you like me is a lot of G7. So now let's try doing the 2-5-1 instead. So instead of G7, 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 we're going to do D minor to G7. And there are different ways of doing this. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. So what I did was one option. I played the D minor for a measure. I played the G7 for a measure. Now let's just add a little bit more D minor here. 2, 3, getting to know you, getting to know all about you. 2 beats of each. Getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. See, there's another option. Now, let's throw in that C progression. The C, major 7 to the 6, back to the major 7. 1, 2, 3, getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. Well, that's a whole lot more interesting and fun to add those very friendly and accessible embellishments in chord progressions.